Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Motel 6 Austin, Texas. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are one swimming pool, free parking, free Wi-Fi, pet-friendly and a facilities for disabled guests. Set only a short distance from popular local attractions such as the University of Texas Austin. This motel offers comfortable, pet-friendly guestrooms along with an outdoor swimming pool. The motel offers on-site laundry facilities and wireless internet access. Area attractions, including Highland Mall and Concordia University at Austin, can be found only a short drive from the Motel 6 Austin, Texas, Central, North. Scenic Lake Austin as well as the popular 6th Street Entertainment District is also easily accessible. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.